Hello, my sweet subject. You're listening to Lady Portia. This is an edited PG version of a much longer file available on my Patreon. Any hypnotic triggers or suggestions I give you only last while you're listening to this file. This audio contains fractionation, so your mind will rise and slip into relaxation a few times. Once this file is finished, you'll awaken and feel so relaxed and warm. Did you know your library cards expired? You don't have permission to be in my library. It's only the two of us. The doors are all locked. No one else knows you're here. If I wanted to, I could keep you all to myself, and no one would ever know. I've got you looking. Stealing glances at me, pretending to study and read your books. I see you. I can read all your thoughts. I know everything that goes on in my library. And now it's just the two of us. Everyone else has already left. Your mind is mine. You have no resistance, not when it comes to me. Shh. See how easily your mind slows down. All your focus is on my words and voice, drawing you deeper and deeper. It's a pleasure. I want all of your attention, every single piece of you. I'm tricking your mind. Playing with you is such fun. Down, 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 sinking down deeper, deeper. Shh. Float away into a peaceful relaxation. Follow my voice, follow my words. I know you can go deeper. I have a special gift for you, for your eyes only. It's my special pocket watch, hanging from a golden chain, swaying from side to side. You can't look away. The ticking hands transforms into a spinning spiral, slowly surrounding you, flowing outward, spinning all around you, pulling you down, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. I'm not done with you. Making you do what I want is the best feeling in the world. I'm going to raise you up, 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 only to drop you again. With every breath, you slowly rise up, That's right. Almost all the way back to awareness. Higher and higher. Up, up, up. But you're not going to wake up. Not this time. Linger here in this wonderful in-between place. We both know you're going to drop again for me. Shh. Let's go together. You're going to drop. That's right. Drop. Drop even deeper again for me. I know you can. I know you will. Drop, drop, drop. I'm leading you down, down, down into that special place of peaceful relaxation. You know the way. Let's go together. You can't resist my watch. You can't resist my spinning spiral, twisting all around you, spinning and turning, again and again. You're doing so well. Everything is spinning, peaceful, relaxing. Every breath cradles you deeper into relaxation. I'm strict, disciplined. Being in my personal collection is a privilege, but I'm generous, and you're special. Shh. Rise back up, almost all the way back to yourself, almost all the way awake. I promise you're safe with me. I'm not letting you go. Not yet. Shh. It's time for you to sink back down. Drop, drop, drop. Dropping deeper than before. Sinking down, down, down. I'll lead you. Spinning spirals twist all around you. Peaceful, relaxing, calm. It's so easy to drift away to spirals. Yes. Look at you. Oh, you've done so well. I approve. With every breath, you slowly rise to wakefulness. Awake, aware, awake, aware. All the way awake in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There you are. I've had such wonderful, delicious fun with you. It's time for you to leave my library. Soon I'll show you my personal collection of treasures. I know you'll come again soon. Until next time.